5 cheese, baked fettuccine. French fettuccine pasta cooked halfway, folded in the sauce, tons of cheese, basil, tomatoes, herbs, and Mama Dini spice blend. 350 degrees, 20 minutes. Oh! Oh, baby. There it is. Oh my God. That's magic. That is magic. That is amazing. Let's go. Oh, baby, 20 minutes in. Yes. Baked fettuccine with chicken, 5 cheese. Cook your pasta halfway. Halfway. Very important. Give it a toss. Chicken, sauce, herbs, lots of cheese, love, giggles, lots of hugs. Put in your pellet. Bam. There it is. Smoked fettuccine. Tastes absolutely amazing. Here's the point, that line of amazement, which is, it's great, it's awesome. You want to make sure all that juice and all that sauce soaks into the pasta and creates this pie style. Lid, on, close, and turn it off. Look at that. Remember all that juice on the top? You gotta cover it, you gotta turn it off, let it sit, let it rest. Let it absorb. Whoa. How can you not love it? It's sexy.